Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is NGumah, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's very brief video, I'll be showing you the top 2 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for the next few days, maybe a week, okay? Maybe a week. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, the first stock that I would like to share with all of you is this one right here. And this is for the longs, okay? This one's for the longs. We're gonna look at NOV. Yes. Now this right here is the pattern that I want to talk about. If we change the time frame to the 4-hour time frame, and if we zoom in right here, okay? What you see right there is what I've talked about 2 weeks ago, and it's happening again, all right? So the pattern that I see here, hopefully you see it too, but the pattern that I see is the reverse head and shoulders once again, all right? Head right here, the left shoulder right here, and then the right shoulder right here. And what I anticipate for this specific pattern in this stock is for the stock to run from right here, which is around $13, okay, and grind throughout the next few days. Hopefully, if it happens sooner, great. If it takes a few more days to get up there, then that's fine too. As long as it moves in the direction that we want, that's all that matters. And also make sure to keep your eye on the price and make sure that it doesn't misbehave somewhere along the way. So I see this stock going all the way up to $16, hopefully by Friday, but maybe next week, all right? And the price target for this specific pattern is almost always up here, all right? And if you have any doubts in this specific pattern, well, I want to show y'all a very quick example from the previous videos, which I've made 2 weeks ago. And the stock that I've talked about 2 weeks ago is SGMS. And here is SGMS right there. My drawings are still there from the previous video. And the video that I discussed this in is, I believe, this one right in here. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in and let's scroll down. Yeah, if you see this thumbnail and you look in the back at the TV, you can see that the left shoulder is here, the head is here, and the right shoulder is right there. And the arrow has been drawn, indicating that the stock is going to go to the price target up here in this red zone. And if you look at Think or Swim, we can see that that is exactly what happened. But the thing that pisses me off is that the stock took longer than I wanted it to get there, but it still got there, okay? So sometimes it get there when I wanted to, and sometimes it takes just a little longer to get there. But usually, if it's clean, if it's as clean as it looks, it usually gets there. So yeah, so this is the example that I wanted to show all of you. And this right there is the reverse head and shoulders. Now, if you got value from this video, again, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm, all right? And also subscribe if you're new. The next stock that I would like to show all of you, okay? This one is for the short sellers, all right? Let's practice short selling. For those of you who are very uncomfortable with it, buying puts is actually pretty awesome, especially when you cash the top. So we're gonna go over a bubble, okay? This right here is the bubble that I want to share with y'all, is APPS. Yes. Okay, here's the bubble right there. And we're gonna go onto the daily chart, and I want y'all to see exactly how overextended this thing is, okay? And it went from $4, actually no, $3.50, all the way up to $24 in 140 days. And it looks like it's exhausted, all right? If you look at the top of these candles, all of these wicks are indicative that there are short sellers who are taking up their position, okay? And their stop loss is usually like right above it, maybe like at 24.50, okay? If the stock breaks above 24.50, then some would cover, and if it keeps rising, then the majority of them will just get squeezed on the way up. But if that doesn't happen, and the stock opens lower, let's say at around like 22 or 21.50, if the stock opens lower, then the short sellers who took positions in these spots right here, here's spot number 1, and then spot number 2, and then spot number 3 right here, okay? The short sellers who took positions in those spots would be a lot more aggressive as the stock opens lower and as the fear kicks into the heart of the long bias traders and the FOMO buyers. Now the price target that I have for this stock, obviously it's gonna drop, and it could drop all the way back down to like $10 even, but the short-term price target that I can see here is for the stock to just drop anywhere like in here. Just anywhere in this zone is good enough for the short sellers. This is a good chunk of money right there, just anywhere down here. And before it decides to either like go just a little bit and then fade out some more, or just fade down immediately. And these are the top 2 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for the next few days to a week. If you're a beginner and you like the way I trade and you like my strategy and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some links down below to show you the specific steps to get started. I also left a link to my favorite day trading book in the comment section below. Hopefully it helps you understand the terms that I use in my videos and my day trading strategy, and also the market as a whole. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, or I will make another video about it and explain it to you and for everybody else who's watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exits on there as well. My name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all on the next one. Take care.